Now let's play drums.
You want to have drums? What do you want to have for a birthday? E.T.'s flashing back to a nearly 3-year-old wearing drum drums. What do you want to have for a birthday?
I want to make those on the television drums.
Like on television, the big ones? Yeah, he loves to play drums. So maybe for birthday, he will get the present.
No, like on the television.
Oh, the big one, okay.
Passed over your house. Your house. We're at your house, Mommy.
Okay, we are.
So now get off.
Get off.
No, you get off. So your house, that way is your house. Your house is that way. Pick up somebody else.
Take one like this. Hold on. Big hug, big hug, big hug.
Oh, a nice picture that. I don't want to interrupt. I don't want to interrupt that picture.
Take one, hold on, check it.
No, don't lift it too much.
Show them, show them.
Carat, be a good boy. Come on. You're almost finished. Hug mommy like you love her. Show her how much you love her.
Yeah, nice.
That's the boy I know, Mom.
What are you going to do? Are you going to be so small in the future?
Okay, let's go. Please.
I'm going up. I got it. You got it. Kill this slap.